Hello friends, welcome to day 7 of the daily sentence practice series here on my channel. Hope you are all practicing regularly. So stay constant and let's keep improving. Do you like coffee? Is he coming today? Is he coming today? Can you help me? Can you help me? Are they ready? Are they ready? Does she know him? Does she know him? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? It is raining. It is raining. Do we need this? Do we need this? Are you okay? Are you okay? Can she sing? Can she sing? Does he play the football? Does he play the football? Is she at home? Is she at home? Are we late? Are we late? Can I try this? Can I try this? Do you live here? Do you live here? Are they coming now? Are they coming now? Does she work here? Does she work here? Is he your friend? Is he your friend? Can you swim? Can you swim? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Is this your bag? Is this your bag? Do you love me? Do you love me? Does he read books? Does he read books? Are they your parents? Are they your parents? Is she feeling well? Is she feeling well? Can we talk now? Can we talk now? Does it hurt? Does it hurt? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Are you listening? Are you listening? Does he know the answer? Does he know the answer? Is she waiting for me? Is she waiting for me? Is she waiting for me? Can we meet tomorrow? Can we meet tomorrow? Are you busy now? Are you busy now? Is he here yet? Is he here yet? Do you understand? Do you understand? Are they finished? Are they finished? Does she like flowers? Does she like flowers? It is far from here. It is far from here. Can you drive? Can you drive? Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? Does he need help? Does he need help? Is she awake? Is she awake? Do they know the truth? Do they know the truth? Is this important? Is this important? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Does it taste good? Does it taste good? Are we going now? Are we going now? Is he telling the truth? Is he telling the truth? Do you agree? Do you agree? Are you tired? Are you tired? Is this your phone? Is this your phone? Can you come tomorrow? Can you come tomorrow? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Is he working today? Is he working today? Does she like music? Does she like music? Are you feeling better? Are you feeling better? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Can we start now? Can we start now? Is she studying? Is she studying? Does he drink tea? Does he drink tea? Are they playing cricket? Are they playing cricket? Is this your car? Is this your car? Do you remember me? Do you remember me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Is he happy? Is he happy? Are they your friends? Are they your friends? Does she have a pet? Does she have a pet? Is this road safe? Is this road safe? Are you sure? Are you sure? Can he come here? Can he come here? Do you like movies? Do you like movies? Is it easy? Is it easy? Does she want water? Does she want water? Are you coming home? Are you coming home? Is he cooking food? Is he cooking food? Can we sit here? Can we sit here? Do they like traveling? Do they like traveling? Is this the right way? Is this the right way? Does it look nice? Does it look nice? Can you open the door? Can you open the door? Are they eating lunch? Are they eating lunch? Is he calling you? Is he calling you? Do you want tea? Do you want tea? Can we go now? Can we go now? Are you enjoying this? Are you enjoying this? Does she live nearby? Does she live nearby? Is he learning Hindi? Is he learning Hindi? Are they watching TV? Are they watching TV? Can you wait here? Can we wait here? Do you know the time? Do you know the time? Is this the right bus? Is this the right bus? Does he know you? Does he know you? Are we almost there? Are we almost there? Can you hear that sound? Can you hear that sound? Is she writing a letter? Is she writing a letter? Do they enjoy dancing? Do they enjoy dancing? Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday? Can I call you later? Can I call you later? Thank you for watching and happy learning. Guys, subscribe for more videos.